This is the Nikon Z7 mirrorless camera body from the one and only Nikon. This is the Generation 1, even though the Generation 2 has been out for a few months. This is still a great option for anyone looking to get into Nikon mirrorless cameras, because now they have the entire Z line of lenses, which are extremely sharp and extremely reliable. So I recommend anyone, if you are switching from DSLR, to invest in the Z glass to go along with your mirrorless Nikon body. Now, this body offers a full touchscreen, and the menu is actually touchscreen as well. It's super snappy. It feels really good to go through the menu items. With the 46 megapixel sensor, it is extremely sharp. It's probably one of the sharpest camera bodies I've ever used in doing photography for about 8 years now. I do love this camera. One drawback that it does have is it only allots for one memory card, which happens to be an XQD card or CFexpress card. Now, I'm a little upset they didn't do 2 card slots like they have in the D850, which supports SD card and CFexpress, but the CFexpress cards are extremely reliable. I have never lost any footage from a card corruption or anything of that nature. The read and the write speeds are extremely fast. I'll dump 140 to 160 gigabytes of data, and it writes and reads at over 1,000 megabytes a second. One good thing about this camera as well, since it's a mirrorless system, it can do all sorts of video settings. So we have 4K at 30 frames and 24 frames, and 1080p at 120 frames, all the way down to, of course, 24 frames per second. The video on this is extremely sharp as well, along with all the photos. This thing is a beast. I highly recommend to anyone that's trying to get into the mirrorless camera game. And yeah, I think this will be relevant for years to come, even with the new flagship models coming out.